It's
Should we put our videos on?
no.
So
No.
yeah, once again.
Okay.
So
Whenever
in
you.
2
Whenever
minutes.
you.
Done. Oh, that.
Hey, Anmol, we're live, so don't tell us your secrets.
Hey Anmol, we're not live anymore, so you
No,
can
we
share
are.
them.
Don't listen to Ronak. He's tricking you. We're live. Don't share your secrets.
Anmol is not even unmuted himself.
We don't have to start our video right now. We will start in 5 minutes time when Viraj join in.
Okay.
Wait, I'm very confused. What's going on?
So I think we should start. Viraj will join now in 5 minutes time. And I will send you the link. I have the number of Anmol and I think I have the number of all. 1 second. I will send you. So what we can do is, can we all call live together? Can we all start video together? In 3
3.
counts.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Bro, you went before us.
No, so sorry. So, okay. Ma'am, you count. Whenever you say on the 3 counts, you count and we will go live.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi.
That was
Hello.
under.
Yo,
No.
what's
Well,
up, Anmol? How's it going, man?
All good, yeah. How are you all?
Good, man. How's it going? Hey.
All good. Am I placed vertically and all of y'all are horizontally? Am I wrong?
Yeah.
We're on our laptops. You're probably on a phone.
Yeah, I'm on my phone.
Yeah, but you can just.
Does this work, Chaitanya? Does this work?
Yeah. It
Works, no?
properly works. Yeah. It
the
works.
best. Best.
Yes, Viraj.
Yeah, he's coming. I think he told me that he would be in 5 minutes.
He's
Let's-
always late. He's always late.
But we can start. So let's start because I am messaging.
So, do we
people
still
are-
whisper or do we talk normally now?
We can talk normally now.
Okay, thanks, Kaniz.
Great. We're ready.
Done. So telling about the agenda of this meeting, telling about first gift of hope. So I am into a corporate gifting business. तब मेरे को किसी ने बोला कि अभी तो तू गिफ्टिंग कैसे करेगा कि अभी तो खत्म हो गया सब कुछ, गिफ्टिंग अभी कौन कर सकता है. So then I came to a point कि I will gift hope to the people. And then how it started, ma'am, we were so surprised by this one thought. Even Anand Piramal sir agreed to join. Vellumani sir was today live. This live stream was recorded in 15 of the co-working spaces in India.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Yeah, on the first day we have 10,000 people attending. By the single thought, we will
Wow.
gift a hope.
That's great.
Chaitanya
उतना
OP
लोगों-
in the chat.
इतना लोगों ने तो मेरा गिफ्ट भी नहीं लिया. So आज मैं लिटरली रेडी हो रहा था ना, तो मैंने बोला कि आज फॉर्मल्स नहीं, क्योंकि आज शाम को अच्छा मतलब मेरे को एकदम सीरियसली नहीं रहना है, एकदम ऐसा अच्छी तरह से रहना है. So we will start by telling the journey because everyone is legend here, I think. So we will start with the journey, and there will be people who want to join content creator industry, comedy industry, entertainment industry, and tips and tricks to conquer that. So ma'am, so where should I start from? So सबसे पहले कौन बोलेगा खुद का जर्नी?
You pick.
What we can do?
You pick, Chaitanya. You
So,
pick.
Chaitanya, can you share the link? I wanna share this.
It's in the
link on my
chat. It's in the
Instagram as
chat.
No,
Oh,
it's
I don't
not.
get it.
I will share in person.
Oh, you are.
Hello, Facebook viewers. We want to join you at the comment section so we can talk to you at both places.
Uh,
So I'm just closing my window. Okay.
yeah. Ronak, can you please tell me your number once
Just
again?
a second.
Not on Facebook Live.
Oh, obviously. But this.
No, just
But
just
he's
just stick
writing
the just stick the link onto our chat now, onto the Zoom ka chat.
It's not
Wow.
happening. It's
Imagine
not happening.
imagine if I was that stupid.
So sorry. So it's like I'm giving you the link of the website. I don't know how to give
cool,
a
cool.
step on a keyboard. Right.
Cool. I'll put this on my Instagram. जिसको देखना है वो वहाँ से देख सकता है. चलो, let's do this.
Let's do this. All right. Chaitanya, pick a person. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. We can start.
So let's start with A.
Or then
Ajmal
let's start with
I've paid-
us.
Sorry.
Let's start with all of us telling you Viraj's journey.
नहीं, ए वाला जो है ना, मैंने पूरी लाइफ फेस किया है, स्कूल में सब जगह ए पहले ही जाएगा हर चीज में, वाइवा है कुछ भी है.
So the A.
Yeah, so about my journey, what exactly do you want to know? Like, it's a very broad.
What year were you born in? Start from there.
थोड़ा
That's a bit-
Okay, so about my journey, basically, I've always wanted to get into filmmaking. That's what my plan was until the 10th grade, 12th grade. Eventually, I started with editing. I did my international baccalaureate. So I had a subject called cinema and filmmaking, where I did editing and I fell in love with the process. And editing karte karte, I kept falling more and more in love with filmmaking. And by that time, there was this digital boom in India where there were these content houses like the Viral Fever, AIB, and other such content houses, which I really, really started enjoying consuming content of. And the whole idea of being a digital creator really started becoming very appealing when I did a short stint with the Viral Fever. So I did a short 5 to 6 month stint there, and I learned so much over there. And that's when I fell in love with comedy content, entertainment. And that's how I decided to, go ahead with comedy content creation. So that's about how it started. I think we can move on.
क्या बात है?
Oh, what about- So many bananas.
Hi,
So,
sorry, थोड़ा late हो गया.
Hey, Viraj.
Hi, Ganesh.
Viraj, we are so used to you
Yo.
being late, bro. I told
अरे,
you you're always late.
Every time something happens today, मेरे बिल्डिंग में इतना बड़ा गणपति आरती हो रहा है कि मतलब आज ही करना है सबको कुछ. मैं लिटरली से सब बंद करके रखा हुआ. Dude, people are yelling. ऐसे लग रहा है कि आज लास्ट डे, आज पहला दिन है.
All the pent up energy.
What's up?
We're just telling our journeys, our creation, how we became who we are today.
Can I tell you all one thing? Before that, can I tell Kanis, I'm a huge fan.
I'm a huge fan of yours, Viraj. I followed you on Instagram, and then you didn't follow me back, and I was like, boo.
I have no idea. The thing is, I am a fan since the improvisation जो आप करते हो वो.
Yeah.
Like in the random fun show, game show. Oh fuck, dude!
Dude,
Like,
I watched your wedding, your eating wedding food at weddings video, and you did the most random, absurd rickshaw ride video, and I was like, who is this guy? It's freaking hilarious.
I'll show you my YouTube search history. Okay, not even kidding. इसमें ना एक I don't know I can say palmistry करके you did with Kanan. The palmistry.
Yeah.
Dude, I watch every day just because of you, because there's a gun, like random. So yeah, so when they told me that Kanis is also there on the panel, like fuck, I so want to meet you since so long, and I see you talking to Dhruv Saigal, you get him on the show, तुम करते रहो, तो मैंने यार Kanis से एक बार मिलवा दो बस.
No, ditto. I'm really excited that you're here. Mashallah.
Okay, हो गया मेरा हो गया guys. Okay, चलो. Hi Ronak. Hi Anmol.
Hi, Viraj. How come you ditched your car today?
Sorry?
How come you're not in your car today?
Oh yeah, I know. I basically I'm at my friend's place for this thing. Genuinely.
Oh, okay.
वाओ सो मेरे को सबसे पहले
हाँ।
अभी मैं कंफ्यूजन में हूँ कि अभी सेकंड कौन आना चाहिए सो अभी
अबे
आप
तो-
वोट आउट कर लो यार
नहीं
हाँ
अभी
आप वोट आउट
अल्फाबेटिकली जाते हैं ना, मैंने तो कर लिया, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है अभी।
ओके
इसमें जाना चाहिए, कहाँ जा रहा है?
So now Kanis has to
Yeah.
या
alphabetical.
जब मैं छोटी थी, मेरा कहानी
Oh,
बहुत पुराना है। जब मैं छोटी थी, मेरा बहुत शौक है नाटक करेगा, तो ऐसा मेरा जर्नी शुरू हो गया और अभी मैं यहाँ पे हूँ। थैंक यू।
Wow, that's the best way to say it, I think.
Very
I wish you
informative.
went first. I could have got some inspiration. I didn't need to give out my entire life
No,
biography.
no. Sorry, I'll give you some more. Basically, originally I'm from South Africa and I moved to India in 2005. And I started with The Week That Wasn't with Cyrus Parocha and Kunal Vijayakar. And that was before the comedy scene had started. I'm not even talking about like even the digital comedy scene, even like the live comedy scene. There was no scene back then. And it was only like, so I was doing, a lot of people were doing, like even Veer Das and Saurabh Pant were all writing and doing like these political satire shows on these news channels. And then around like 2011 or 12, like 2009, sorry, I did an improv course with Adam Dow. And that's when I started meeting other comedians, even like the people who were doing stand-up. We would like the show, the open mics would be the improvised, like the, oh God, so I was improv comedy Mumbai. They would do like 15 minutes and then there were like 5 or 6 stand-up comedians who would do like sets after that. And that's how we used to perform all the time. And then in 2012 was when we realized that the scene was becoming more cohesive and there was actually money involved because we all actually auditioned. I think there were like 30 people in the whole country, but Star World had commissioned, they had bought rights to Whose Line Is It Anyway? And they were going to make an Indian version. And so they called anyone who was doing comedy in India to come audition for this. And it was like 30 people. So improvisers, stand-up comedians, everyone was mixed. And then they made the show. They shot the pilot. It was really bad. They were like, yeah, we're not going to make this show. But that's the first time I met all the people doing comedy in India. And after that was when we started like, you know, giving more structure to it. So, and then YouTube came in like 2013, 14. And so that's kind of where it began from for me. And then I happened to be there. It was good timing for me on my part.
Wow.
That's
I think. Yeah. I think it's beautiful the way you put it.
Yeah. So now we have Viraj.
Oh.
Jai Ambe dosto.
Jai Ambe. So I basically started like I was doing my engineering and everything, and like basically same life जो लोगों का होता है engineering में. Every time I used to like fail only, like fail मतलब legit fail. And बचपन से ना I used to crave attention, like any like कुछ भी होता ना, अगर घर पे लोग आए ना गेस्ट आते थे ना, तो I used to tell them कि sit, I'll show how to dance. मतलब like I want to dance. I was that kind of a person कि मतलब my mom dad never used to tell me कि अरे show uncle how to dance. like अरे मैं खुद दिखा दूंगा ऐसा करके. And they used to like बहुत हो रहा है इसका. तब से लेके ना every time I used to crave attention. Then I started mimicry, building के लोगों का mimicry कर रहा हूँ, नवरात्रि में fancy dress कर रहा हूँ. I became like random like कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ just because public ऐसा ताली मारे ना, मुझे अच्छा लगता था बहुत बचपन से. मतलब कि अरे वाह ताली पड़ रहा है, ताली मिल रहा है. तो क्या घर पे ना लोगों को लगता था कि अरे कुछ भी फनी है ना तो ये लोग को विराज को लेने का, मतलब कुछ भी होगा तो अरे यार मूड सेट कर देगा ऐसा नहीं लगता. तो तब से ऐसा लगा कि अच्छा ये मेरा लाइफ है. देन आई वेंट टू इंजीनियरिंग. सो आई थॉट सो आई डिड माय डिप्लोमा एंड वहां से I started hosting a lot of shows for my college functions and all these things. And I was literally like, I was awarded the most humorous guy in this college and ऐसा. So I was, when I went to my degree college, मेरे को लगा मैं तो बहुत फनी है भाई, मतलब मेरा तो बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है. Then I went there, the real world is there and मेरे जैसे 700 लोग हैं वहां पे. कितने लोग हैं. And I was like, अरे मैं जोक मार रहा हूँ, लोग बोल रहे oh is that a joke or a statement और ऐसा. मेरे को लगा fuck ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं.
joke or a statement.
Yeah, dude, it was very. And these guys were like a proper Parlaite or proper towny people, and I'm from Kandivali, Borivali. यहाँ पे I don't know, मैं रिक्शा से आ रहा हूँ, वो लोग गाड़ी से आ रहे. all these things, and I had the latest iPhone. वो लोग का iPhone 10-12 चल रहा है वहाँ पे. मतलब मेरे को लगा मैं बहुत मतलब मेरा हिट है. So I came to know real world क्या होता है and all these things. Then I realized कि मतलब मेरा life मतलब I have to find what is my niche. And if I am from a middle class family, I can't act like मतलब कि I'm a rich guy or I'm like मैं हमेशा I used to pretend like if I like, for example, if I like start Ronak's comedy, I'll start behaving like Ronak. वो सब I started doing that thing. कि fuck इसका मस्त है, let me try doing that. For example, generally for the longest time I felt Ronak का podcast करना चाहिए, मजा आएगा यार. You know, because I take traits from people which I lately I realized कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. So I asked my parents कि I want to quit engineering. तो मैंने देखा था 3 Idiots, तभी अभी आया था, तो मैंने बोला 3 Idiots देखा, तो स्क्रिप्ट तो पढ़ा है अपने पास, तो मैं जाके बोल देगा मम्मी को कि, पर मम्मी भी स्मार्ट, मम्मी ने भी देखा था. तो मम्मी ने बोला अप्पा नहीं मानेंगे. बोला वो फक. तो but she gave me a year. She told me okay, do whatever you want to do in your life, and if you can't, you have to go back to engineering. I said great. So my fear till now, if I fail today also, my fear is कि मुझे engineering करना पड़ेगा, तो I don't want to fail. So I did random बाटा के स्टोर में जाके मैं झाड़ू पोछा लगाया थोड़ा longer time. बोला उधर देखता हूँ कुछ होता है, तो फिर कॉल सेंटर में, फिर मैंने HR का जॉब किया, फिर प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस गया, मैं TVF में भी मैं गया. मैं TVF ने मुझे लिया, एक दिन के लिए लिया था. फिर they didn't give me any job because I thought for me I'm funny. No, मेरे माइंड में तो लग रहा मैं फनी है, which is not the case. You sometimes think you are funny but you're not. For the real world you're not. So when I was going in TVF, I thought मुझे काम क्यों नहीं दे रहे, मुझे sketches क्यों नहीं, मेरे को acting क्यों नहीं करवा रहे. But you have to learn the process. तो वहां पे उन्होंने बोला कि तू उधर बैठ देख सीख. मैं बोला नहीं, मैं एक्टिवा उठा, मेरे पास एक्टिवा था, एक्टिवा उठा, मैं निकल गया वहां से. बोला नहीं करने का है जॉब. Then I started looking for more jobs. यहाँ वहाँ पे मैंने मार्केटिंग किया, सेल्समैन का जॉब किया, सब किया मैंने. प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस गया मैं, उधर से रिजेक्ट. स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी ट्राई किया, वो भी फक ऑल. मुझे लगा क्योंकि बिल्डिंग में हंस रहे हैं लोग, तो
No, Viraj, this was all in that same year?
in the same year.
Oh fuck, dude, क्या किया तूने यार?
Everything I did. This is around 2015, around-ish, 15ish में. And 2016, my friend told me कि bro एक Snapchat करके ऐप है, वो तू यूज कर, और ये उसका ही घर है जिसके घर पे बैठा हूँ. तो मुझे बोला कि Snapchat अब एक दूसरे का फालतू फोटो भेजेंगे ऐसे के खाना खा रहा हूँ, ये वो है, फालतू रैंडम. दिस इज जस्ट रैंडम. तो one day I thought करे ये तो वीडियो भी बनता है इससे. So I started recording my 15-second वीडियो करके sketch बनाने लगा on the Snapchat के अंदर ही, कि मतलब how do I sneak out, how do I sneak in from, like what do I tell to my parents, and लोग उससे कनेक्ट करने लगे. फिर उसमें फिल्टर्स भी आए. फिल्टर्स में मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया how to copy in examinations, मतलब how people copy करके, एंड फिल्टर. फिर मैंने ये सारे वीडियोस को डाउनलोड किया, एंड मैंने डाउनलोड तो 1 मिनट का वीडियो निकलता है डाउनलोड कर से स्नैपचैट के टाइम पे. So I started posting in random pages. AIB was one of them. AIB का मतलब, and AIB replied to my email once, and उसमें I got so excited कि fuck AIB replied, क्योंकि अपने लिए for 90s kid AIB TVF is the game, like oh fuck वो लोग ने reply किया वैसे. So AIB, and then I said hey please tell me if I'm selected, ऐसा करके मैं रोज मैसेज भेजने लगा. तो AIB being AIB का मैसेज आता है और 500 email भेजना गांडू. oh shit, मतलब ये नहीं हो सकता. Then luckily filter copy read the message, and filter copy was very like new just चालू हुआ था वहाँ पे, and there was like 20,000 subscribers वो सब थे. So filter copy replied saying कि nice content. वाला fuck इसने reply किया nice content, तो रोज वीडियो बनाया, रोज भेजा उन लोग को for a month कि when I would like this is my video. फिर after point they were like कि Viraj please stop sending her messages, एक बार interview दे दे please हम लोग को message मत कर, interview ले ले. बोला ठीक है. तो मैं वहाँ गया, and they were like sitting 1.5-2 घंटा इंटरव्यू. वो लोग हंस रहे, मतलब fuck ये लोग हंस रहे हैं लोग, मतलब बिल्डिंग वाले आए क्या, ऐसा लगा मुझे. फिर वहां से like it's around 2016 May 16th 2016 I got my job. Filter copy was my first ever job, and तब से I started creating content. I got to know how to make a video, what are my competitive brands, like AIB was like filter copy का competitive, उससे कैसे बोले what are they making, learn about them, दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है. Then I got to know fuck मैं funny नहीं था, मतलब I'm just ऐसे random आदमी. Then I got to know about humor. I learned about humor. I got to know a lot of things उसमें से. And then I started my own niche, because every time see Kaniz has an own niche. Ronak has his own niche. कि मतलब Kaniz is great. People just say Kaniz is great in improvising. ये सब. So everyone started getting her own niche, और मैं सब कर रहा था. Which was I was failing on that. तो आई गॉट माई ओन निश कि मैं मिडिल क्लास है, मैं गुजराती है, मैं बोरीली से आता है, तो मेरा वो नीश है और मुझे लोग पसंद करते हैं उसके वजह से कि मतलब बस इसका लाइफ सिंपल है, ये टी शर्ट पहनता है, एक्टिवा पे घूमता है। डूड मैंने मन्नत में एक बार गया था, मन्नत के बाहर एक्टिवा पार्क किया था मैंने। तो मतलब वो सब मेरा था कि मतलब दिस इज व्हाट आई एम, आई एक्सेप्टेड दिस थिंग एंड दैट्स हाउ पीपल स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग इट। और तब से कंटेंट क्रिएटर मैं वही, सो माय वीडियोस स्टार्टेड इज ओनली अबाउट, सो माय वीडियोस आर नॉट फनी, माय वीडियोस आर ऑलवेज रिलेटेबल कि हाँ ये मेरे लाइफ में हुआ है। इट्स नॉट दैट कि मतलब फनी है रे बहुत मजा है,
यार फनी भी है यार।
Dude, your videos are funny. They make me laugh.
सुनना था, बाकी कुछ नहीं मुझे पता है।
Especially the random ones. The random ones I love.
So yeah, so for me, being on this panel is like I'm a fan of these people, and when I can be with on like ऐसे साथ में तो मुझे लगता है कि अरे shit, हाँ आ गया। Like I'm a consumer of these people. Like I always watch Tanmay's vlog and Kanis उसमें रहते हो, और right now I'm talking to Kanis like such a big thing for me. मैं अभी वैसे लाइफ में जी रहा हूँ, वैसा है। So this is my life
Wow.
short में।
नहीं मतलब मेरे साथ भी ऐसा, हाँ सॉरी,
Thing now.
इनके गुजराती लोगों के लिए इतने रिलेटेबल वीडियोस होते हैं ना। माय मॉम सेंड मी विराज वीडियो, और वो इंस्टाग्राम पे नहीं है, उनको कहीं से व्हाट्सएप से जाते 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 मेरे को मिलती कि मैं तेरे साथ ऐसे ही बिहेव करती हूँ ना ऐसा।
This is also a thing because my mom used to worry and fear because in Gujarati लोग के लिए ना समाज और वो सब बहुत ज्यादा होता है, society and all these things. So for them, my mom, people used to come and tell my mom कि अरे क्यों कर रहा है, इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा था, क्यों छोड़ दिया आपने? My mom is like, my dad used to be in Africa, so my mom was single-handedly handling me कि मतलब, and she was like कि कुछ फेल हो गया तो लोग मुझे बोलेंगे कि अरे बेटा बिगड़ गया, कुछ कर नहीं पाए and all these things. And now when I do all these videos, when these people come and tell my mom कि देखो ना विराज के वीडियोस में मेरी बेटी को ले लो ना, मेरे बेटे को ले लो ना, so I feel proud about my mom कि चल my mom can talk about it कि मतलब she made a wise decision about that.
Wow, wow, that's so great.
That's
तो
really cool.
अभी आते हैं रौनक सर पे।
हेलो, क्या बोलूं, मेरा भी यही है डूड। मैंने फिल्टर कॉपी ज्वाइन करने की कोशिश की और फिर मैंने वीडियो बनाया। नो नो नो, आई एम जोकिंग। No, so I have been doing, I have tried to do stand up since I was 15. I just got out of school और कुछ करने को नहीं था. So that was one thing that got lucky with me because I did not do it at a time when it was like, you know, are you going to leave your job and try your thing at this new thing? So it was just like a hobby for me. And I'm seeing all these big guys. I'm seeing, I'm going to open mics. Sorry. I'm going to open mics. I'm seeing the big guys, you know, I'm seeing people who are huge now, but they were just like the funniest guys back then. No one's really making money. I'm seeing Kanis, I'm seeing Tanmay, I'm seeing, you know, everyone who's famous right now. And, you know, it was just like, okay, I'm just going to be here and watch these people. I wasn't necessarily doing great. I was actually doing terribly for the first 2 years. Okay, I was literally just wasting everyone's time. I was very bad at comedy. But kya hota hai na, when you're 15, it's exactly what Viraj was saying, that when you think you think you're funny because your friends have validated you, right? So in those scenarios, you try to reenact what conversations you had with your friends. Like I'll give you an example. Okay, मेरे दोस्त के पास एक fake BlackBerry था. And everyone was making fun of him कि ये क्या fake BlackBerry लाया. And I was like, इसमें ping नहीं होता है, इसमें ching होता है. तो everyone started laughing. तो मैंने बोला कि ये मैं stage पे जाके बोलूंगा. तो मैंने stage पे बोला and everyone was like, what the fuck is this guy saying? It's not even funny. Okay. But that's because situationally something is funny. There's something called context. But what I did was I had, the good thing is I had nothing to lose. I was in college. I'm not a great singer. I'm not good at studies, not good at sports. So I was like, okay, I need to just do something to make myself identify with a thing. And you know, socially it makes me, no one's coming to my open mic. My college friends are not coming to my open mic. वो लोग सिर्फ Facebook पे फोटो देख रहे हैं. So they are thinking that this guy, ये चिंग, वो वहाँ पे भी चिंग बोल रहा है और वहाँ पे लोग पागल हो रहे हैं. So these guys are thinking I'm some genius. Okay. But I just stuck around because I had nothing else to do. And you know, over the years, I realized that this is something I really enjoy. I started getting better because, you know, when you do something, when you do something like an open mic, the stakes are so high, right? because you're so vulnerable. If you say a bad joke, uh, you feel like, oh shit, because I've never done this before. You feel ashamed, you feel scared, and then you think back, okay, how can I improve? So automatically your muscle memory teaches you to get better at this. And over the years, I just slowly, automatically started getting better at stand up. I never really thought that this is something I want to do seriously, because here's the thing: I have nobody in the arts in my family. Okay, मैं सिंधी family से हूँ. मेरा बाप जो 15 साल का था, he joined his family business and he was like, तू भी 15 साल का है, open mic के क्या जा रहा है, तू पागल है क्या? So that was his thing. He was like, तू office कभी आने वाला है? He used to tell me, चल मैं तेरे को shopping ले जाता हूँ. I would be like, चलो मेरे को ये t-shirt खरीदो. He was like, नहीं, shirt और leather जूते, just because that is what you're supposed to wear. So so you know, I was like, okay, I'm probably just gonna have to study and get an MBA or something, and work with my dad or get a stable job. I've not seen a grown adult making money in the arts. And then suddenly all these people who are people who I look up to, people who are my friends, who are doing comedy more seriously, like as I said, Kanis, Tanmay, everybody, I'm looking at these people and they're making a lot of money doing this. So I looked at myself one day and I was like, dude, if you really want to pursue something as a career, at the end of the day, you have to make a career out of something to be able to survive, right? Even though you want to be true to the art, it's not like you can't look at the fact that is it sustainable. And I was like, I think it is time to take this risk. And by the time I was ready to take that risk, I was already working in my dad's business for 2 years. मैंने BMM complete कर दिया था. Then I realized कि BMM का degree दिखा के मुझे किधर job नहीं मिल रहा है. So I went and started to study law. Okay. Anmol is laughing, I think.
Yeah, very relatable, very relatable.
I was also studying law, and then I changed.
No, so I completed law because I was going to study BMM. I was going to study law and I was going to become a property lawyer, working very seriously as a real estate agent, showing flats. And it's very weird, okay? Because when you're showing flats and like, your father is the boss, you have to behave yourself while showing the flat, okay? और फिर कभी मतलब 1 महीना बाद वो क्लाइंट कभी ऑडियंस पे आ गया और तू कोई मतलब यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिक्स और समथिंग एंड इट्स जस्ट सो एम्बैरेसिंग. So everything kind of like looked me in the face one day and I was like, dude, I gotta decide, what do I want to do? Do I want to focus on being a lawyer, working for my dad as a property lawyer, real estate agent, or do I want to do this? I can't put my feet in two boats, that two such polar opposite boats. And I was like, what, I really, really, really feel safe when I'm doing this thing, papa ka business kar raha hu, law ka degree la raha hu. But I feel really, really happy when I'm doing comedy. So I said, you know what, fuck it, I'm going to do comedy. I left everything. I did not leave the degree. I was like, degree khatam karne ka. I have a lawyer degree. Because it's easy if you okay, I should not be saying it here, but you can bunk and somehow just show up for exams. But okay.
Don't take that away, kids. Don't take.
And here's the thing. I'll tell you one more thing. My wife, who was my girlfriend at the time, was very serious about doing law. So it was much easier for me to just be like, hey, meko bhi notes de raha. So that was very easy for me. So you need to do your setting if you want to continue finishing your degree while also letting go of it. You got to figure it out. So anyway, so one day I decided I'm going to leave my dad's job because I didn't want to be. Are you understanding? I don't want to be doing this boring job that I'm not really happy, but I feel safe in doing. I don't want to be a 40-year-old who's like, मेरे दादा ने भी यही किया, मेरे पापा ने भी यही किया. Now I have to do the same thing. I was like, let me take this risk. So I told my dad that I'm not going to do it. My dad was like, ठीक है ये. It's same like what Viraj's mom told him. 1 साल करेगा वापस आ जाएगा. My dad was like, तू जा. So and then I asked around, I spoke to a few people, and in fact, Kanis, I'm sure you remember, I called Kanis also. I was like, Kanis, please see if you can help me with a writing job. I went to a bunch of places. I went to AIB's office. I went to Cyrus Brocha's show office, to ask if I can write there. And that was the first meeting I took after my job. And Cyrus Brocha was like, dude, I would love to have you here, but I don't know why you left your stable job for this. Yahan pe kuch paisa nahi hai. And I was like, holy shit, what did I do? No, but then I got a job at EIC. East India Comedy. I worked there for a year and a half.
Really?
और मैंने LinkedIn पे अब तक निकाला नहीं है. तो every year I get happy work anniversary even now. और मैं बोल रहा हूँ hi.
Yes, it doesn't even exist anymore.
Yeah, EIC doesn't even exist anymore. And then while I was working at EIC, I put out. I was like, I can't just. I'm doing the same thing. I took a stable job and now I'm staying safe. So I said, I'm going to put out a YouTube video. और मैंने फिर मेरा YouTube video डाला Indian Superstitions, which in a matter of like 2.5 days got like 1 million views, got shared by all the big pages.
Wow.
And I was still working there. And I was like, man, if I just put the right focus and I have the guts to work on myself, I will be able to figure this out. So I put in my papers. I was like, guys, I'm leaving. They also put in their papers after 1 month because they also all left EIC. And then I kind of just started focusing on trying to make my YouTube content, videos, etc. I was going to record all my videos, and then Comicstan 1 came out, and everyone's career like took off like crazy. Okay. And the thing is sometimes when you feel like you're very true to the art, you feel like, no, I'm going to take the harder route. I'm going to put these videos on YouTube. I will not cheat myself by doing Comicstan. And then Prashasti was like, dude, tu pagal hai kya? It's the same thing. She was like, dude, what's wrong with you? People are coming to my shows, and that's what you want. People to come to your shows so they can see what you're doing. You're not cheating anybody by taking the longer route. You're being an idiot. So then I was like, okay, chalo, I'll just apply for Comicstan too. And then I got it. So all those videos that I was going to put on YouTube, I instead put on Comicstan.
Nice.
And I had one more stand-up video, which I did not put on Comicstan. I just put that, which also did decent. And then I was like, now people are coming. I started touring. I started recording some videos. I was like, let's try alternate formats. जो मैंने कभी डाला नहीं. Then the lockdown happened. Shows stopped. So then I put out my panel show / podcast relationship advice, and that's basically here. Yay!
Wow, Ronak, ladies and gentlemen, Ronak's 1 hour special. He just 1 hour special is ready.
1 hour special.
But-
Guys, मेरे को लगता है अब तो थोड़ा लूज है. I'm just gonna.
देखो कभी ऐसा हुआ कि मतलब fuck अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो फिर क्या करूंगा?
Oh, dude, बहुत हुआ.
Dude, I'm going
to
to
still
that
get
right
now
now.
also. Yeah, I was just gonna say, मेरे को तो अब तक होता है.
मेरे को भी अब तक होता है. Exactly.
I left Filter Copy 20th July को. Like I was with them for 4 years, and I was like, dude, if I want to work for myself now, I've done enough. Like I joined at 20,000, and I've left at 7 million. I think हो गया अब. Like I want to start my own, but right now I'm like, shit, dude.
Salary.
There's always that point in people, like when you work for other people, there's always that point where you, like, there's a lot of fear about going off to do your own thing. Like I remember even like Tanmay Bhatt was with Veer Das's company. And, I was like, why don't you start your own thing now? Like you guys have enough following. And there was still like so much fear. He's like, no, we're not ready yet. We're not ready. And then eventually he did start AIB, and they did break off into and start their own thing. But I feel like that's a journey that a lot of people who work with these bigger collectives, like that fear of like, when do I get out and go beyond
And
my own?
I got to know a new word called leap of faith. I had no idea what is leap of faith till then. And my friend said, take that leap of faith. बोला मेरे को कुछ नहीं लेने का अभी. बोला मतलब I had no idea क्या होता है. मतलब तो इसे मतलब कि छोड़ दे, हो जाएगा जो होगा देखा जाएगा ऐसा करके. So I randomly one night I was like just talking to my girlfriend. I said, fuck it, should I do it or what? I said, हाँ कर ले. तो मैंने mail लिखा. I was in tears. I like, shit, dude, 4 साल दिए. And I called up the founder and like, fuck, dude, I don't want to go do it. But he said, no, do it for your own self. Kar le.
Yeah.
How sweet.
I think that helps a lot. When
He told me.
I think क्योंकि तेरा salary 7 million हो गया था, he was like, तू जा यार अभी.
Like when in doubt, just take that leap. Like no matter, like I feel like my thing is always like follow the fear. Like I've done that a lot in my life, and it's always worked out for me. Following the fear.
Improv rules.
Yeah, improv. Follow the fear, and there's magic there. I believe.
So by September, I just got my new office. By September, starting my own YouTube channel. So we also चल रहा था मेरी.
Good, yay!
So I got late because of that only. I just went to my new office कुछ देखने के लिए.
तो ये कौन सी गाड़ी है ये नई ऑफिस?
अरे नहीं ये legit घर है. So I'm getting you are right about.
Too good.
Wow. Wow. So there would be many people seeing जिनको कॉमेडी इंडस्ट्री में जाना है या कंटेंट इंडस्ट्री में जाना है. So there are certain tips and tricks to them कि वो कैसे conquer करे.
Oh, that's a question. That's the whole question.
Question.
There are no tips and tricks.
See, basically, I feel that you should always share your experience and not your imagination. Like if you want to, for example, when these guys also do the stand-up comedy, it's like 70-80% experience. Like they've gone through that shit. And then this, because वो honestly दिखता है उसके अंदर. Because if you imagine कि मतलब क्या होता है? Because imagination is always subjective. Because मेरे लिए कुछ अलग होगा, तेरे लिए कुछ अलग होगा. Like for example, like if you eat a mirchi, it will be tikka for you and it will be tikka for me. So it's an experience. So when you share that experience, लोग relate करते हैं, लोग ज़्यादा बोलते हैं, अरे हाँ ये मजा आया. This is why stand-up comedy में they give you insights जो दुनिया को पता है, पर वो जब बोलते तो ज़्यादा funny लगता है. These are insights which they tell you.
Yeah.
So I feel always share your experience and ये अपने आप वो funny हो जाता है. Because when I try to become Ronak, I can't become like Ronak because उसका life अलग है. But if I just speak with honesty कि हाँ ये ऐसा मुझे गणपति चल रहा है ना यहाँ पे, तो अभी आवाज पता नहीं तुम लोग को आ रहा है कि नहीं, चल रहा है तो चल रहा है, वो फनी हो गया, तुम लोग आके हंस दिया, मेरा ओपनिंग लाइन तो शॉर्ट हो गया ना. So
I think what I liked about what you said, Viraj, earlier when you were telling us your backstory, like you said, like you try to find you try to find your uniqueness.
Yes.
And I feel like in the comedy scene right now, that's really important, is like keeping your uniqueness, understanding what you're good at and not trying to become generic. Don't try to become generic because there are enough people, there's enough content. So be more specific, be more you. Try to find the nuances that only you, things that only you can do, because that's what's going to set you apart in the long run. At the end of the day.
Because generic, anybody can do. Generic is replaceable.
Like don't try think, oh, I've got to be more relatable. Think I've got to be more unique. Because in the long run,
Authenticity.
yes, exactly.
Make people like you the way you are. You don't have to like be the, ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब अगर लोगों को पसंद है उसके लिए ये बनाओ. मतलब ऐसा करेगा तो फिर नहीं हो पाएगा. Like if you are,
I'm sorry. I just want to interject for 1 second. You have to figure out who you are and which percentage of that who you are do people like. So you have to find that. Like there is a definite part of who you are that people don't like also for all of us. So you have to figure out which is the specific part that everyone likes. Don't you agree with that?
No, I'll tell you. I don't know if an example fits here, but Bhuvan Bam selfie video बनाता है हर बार. और उसके आजू जो बैकग्राउंड एकदम ऐसे it's like very like you know it's not good. आजू जो उसका बैकग्राउंड है it's not good. But you know once he made a video like properly एकदम proper घर वर बैकग्राउंड एकदम proper set करके वो नहीं चला उसका वीडियो.
Correct, very true.
Because people are not used to that thing. God, like who you, the person you are वो दिखाओ तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है लोगों को.
Yeah.
It's like the general game show. Sorry, Anmol, you haven't said. Sorry.
No, I had a very general, whenever someone asks me कि content creator बनना है, not specifically pertaining to comedy, I have seen so many people just wait for the right moment or to get the right equipment or you know कि मेरे को करना चाहिए कि नहीं, करूँ कि नहीं. I think taking that first step is the biggest tip anyone can ever give you.
Yes.
I think if you keep waiting, you will keep waiting. And the second biggest tip would be that you really need to be in there for the long game and have a lot of patience, because overnight wala bahut rare hai, and that's a very different game. But otherwise, it's going to take you a lot of patience and that first step ka jo leap of faith. So I think that's what I always pass out as advice.
I'm 100%. Like I'm always like, don't try to perfect it because you'll never end up putting it out there. Just do, like as lame as it sounds, like the whole Nike, the Nike logo. Just do it. Just do it.
Absolutely.
If you want to try stand up, just go to that open mic and just get on stage and try.
I did that. So I did my first ever stand up. Like because I wanted to do a stand up. Like I wanted to fail, to be honest. कि मतलब देखना था कि मतलब क्या है, देखते ना देखते. So I did my first ever stand up in Nagpur. It was 8 like cafe में करते हैं ना जो cafe वाला stand up होता है. So I did that. 80 people were there. 80 people came because of the Instagram में डाला था story, तो people देखने आए थे, कह रहे देखते, कह रहे fan करके आ गए देखने. And I didn't know what is stand up. So I just said, like I just spoke my life out. like
Yeah.
anecdotal comedy उसको बोलते हैं. Just said कि एक बार ऐसा हुआ था, एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कर देगा, and people are just so I did my 1.5 hours special कर दिया मैंने.
What?
Not even kidding. 1.5 घंटे तक मैं सिर्फ बोले जा रहा हूँ और पब्लिक ताली वाली मार रहा है. मतलब अच्छा है, सुन रहे तो अच्छा है. Like I never did any, मैंने कभी स्टेज पे नहीं गया, स्टेज पे ऐसे स्टैंड अप करने के लिए. But that time 1.5 घंटा बोले जा रहा हूँ, अपना लाइफ बता रहा हूँ from the start, beginning
Nice.
to the end.
And if you stuck with it, you would have like kept like honing it and like cutting it down, editing and making it like you would have done all of that if you, but you took the first step, which is so
I
important.
didn't plan also. I just said मतलब बैठे तो सुनो, एक और सुन, बता दो क्या होता है, एक बार बताओ, एक बार क्या होता है, ऐसे करके चालू हो गया. पब्लिक सुन रहा है, कोई जा रहा नहीं है. 80 के 80 लोग बैठे हैं वहां पे.
Those 80 people were just the people from his building. They're all coming. His building people.
Wow.
No, but I like what I agree with Anmol else, like just even like the long runners. Like there's people who do those people who do break out like overnight. There are some of those comedians whose videos go viral and then
The
they're just the
Rashi
biggest-
video that's just gone viral of late, the Rashi cooker video.
जो मुखाटे करके जो creator है.
Yeah, it's really blown out of crazy.
And that happens. And then there's people like, I don't know, for like, I know my journey has been like 15 years of, and I never broke out. I just slowly. Just,
Yeah, same with me.
Slowly revealed yourself.
I feel these journeys are important. I think this is much better because वो after a point I think these people like वो कभी कभी भूल जाते हैं कि, you know, for example this ढिंचाक पूजा कहाँ है, like I don't know, I don't want to say that thing, but you know वो overnight हो गया फिर वो खत्म हो जाता है, but you have to maintain also to that thing.
yeah, like overnight people, there's a lot of pressure when you break out overnight.
Yeah.
A lot of pressure.
Imagine 50
So if you-
for that, it's a good thing.
Yeah, I feel if you get that overnight thing, it will always give you a big boost. But to keep people retained back and subscribed to your work, you have to have a portfolio of work which you can show them. कि हाँ भाई आओ वापस, मेरा दूसरा काम भी अच्छा है, ये one off wonder नहीं है. So
Like
I
that's
think
not the, breaking out is not the only way. Like
Yeah,
there are lots of successful
और इसको
comedians.
सिर पे कभी नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए for the people who are watching this. इसको like because even I मेरा भी overnight breakout हुआ था. Like when I did my first Kiki challenge करके मेरा चला था. Dude, I posted that video around 9,000. Next day I was 100K. So I was like, oh shit, क्या चल रहा है ये? So but I thought if I stop doing here because वो जो 1000 लोग 1 लाख लोग आए अचानक से, उसको मैं क्या दिखाऊं next? कुछ नहीं, randomly बैठो करके.
Yeah.
For that thing, till today, it's been like 2 years or 3 years. Every day you'll see a video on my Instagram. तब से लेके अब तक एक वीडियो हमेशा जाता है, वीडियो कुछ भी हो तो चलते रहता है. बट ऐसा नहीं कह रहे हो अब तो फैन है, अब तो लोग है, अब तो टेंशन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. सिर पे चढ़ा तो खत्म हो गया.
Yeah, I think the thing is that people don't realize that there are a few things like we have access to our stats. We know how many people unsubscribed and unfollowed, and that can seem very discouraging on day one. And as Anmol said, it's a long run thing. So like if someone comes and tells me also, hey, should I do stand up, blah blah, I tell them yes, but don't just do one open mic, because like Viraj's first open mic performance went killer, okay, but that might not be the case. Like for me the first open mic was 30, okay. So I always tell people that do it at least like 6 times, whatever you're doing. Even if you want to put out like a video, do 6 times, which is why if you see Relationship Advice, the first season, I put 6 episodes because I was like, is this working or not? I will decide after I put 6 episodes, because only then will you realize that this is something that's working. And let's say people start coming, as Viraj said, you have a longevity thing, because it's like people should not be like, oh, you're that guy in 2016 मैंने तेरे को देखा था ना, because there are so many people right now.
Exactly.
You're easily replaceable, you're easily forgettable. All of us
It
right
doesn't
now.
take long for people to, you know, unsubscribe or unfollow.
Yeah,
If you
because
let them down once.
अपने जैसे कितने सारे लोग हैं.
Exactly.
It's very saturated.
Like right now, if I want to come to YouTube, I like, why would they watch me? Like there's Ashish, there's Bhuvan, there's Tanmay. Why will someone watch me? So I'm in that dilemma कि क्या बनाऊं, क्या niche रखूं के public.
That's why, like you said, you've got to really focus on being unique, because you try to be generic and you're going to get lost in the ocean of videos right now. So
There's so much cluster, it's not easy to break out of this clutter.
I think we were supposed to motivate people, guys.
no, but it's saying like, I'm saying like be unique. Be
ना
unique.
मतलब failure भी होगा
Guys,
life में.
बहुत
मतलब
cluster
passive
है.
वाले.
तुम लोग नहीं आ पाओगे. बहुत
Don't-
भीड़ है, तुम लोग बाहर
Don't try
निकलो.
doing it. Finish your studies.
No, I generally think that even if your audience, you realize after a point, is like 30 people, just play your ass out for those 30 people, because
Yeah.
those guys will root for you at a point
Yes.
when no one will. And
Very
having
true.
those, yeah, and like even this thing about like a overnight one day suddenly becomes a superstar. I don't think it's necessary that you can become forgettable. Like Viraj gave the example of Dinchak Puja. I That's like a positive example. Someone like an Upmanyu, okay. Kaniz and I know Upmanyu. I don't know if the rest of you know, but
Yeah.
like he was just in the green rooms in the same shows as us, and then one day he put out his video and it did fabulously, right? And that doesn't mean that people have forgotten who he is. And it was that one video that overnight made him a star, but people should not discount the fact that he's able to keep that level of skill even now because of the 5 or 6 years he put before that video became viral.
Very
So everything that's overnight is the first time you have seen it, but it's not
Yeah.
the first time he is doing it.
Correct. Correct.
True. True.
Very true.
So yeah, so there would be certain time. So now if I am talking to these people who want to be a content creator in their life, so certain time they don't get any family support. So anything you want to tell them? Question mark.
Okay. So for that thing, see, even my parents didn't agree to this thing, okay? Because it's not that they are your enemies or something like that. They really worry about your future. ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब कि अरे जो करना है कर ले, ऐसा कोई नहीं करता है. So for that thing, I think you should show some kind of confidence to your own self कि हाँ कर पाऊंगा मैं, and also to them also कि हाँ मतलब see, for example when I asked my parents कि I want to do that, मेरे को जो Snapchat का जो चल रहा था मेरा, so there were articles on that. एक article आया था top 20 people you should follow on Snapchat, ऐसा करके एक article आया था, so that they had this thing कि अल्लाह चल कर रहा है, recognition भी मिल रहा है उसको. In that list there was Tanmay Bhatt, there was Sonakshi Sinha, there were a lot of people in that list, and then उसमें 19वां नाम मेरा था, there was Kenny, everyone, or 19th, I was the 19th. I was like अरे कुछ तो हो रहा है. So I got confidence in my own self to I could speak to them कि मतलब देखो ये हो रहा है. वरना आपको अगर if your parents ask you कि मतलब क्या करेगा, पता नहीं, मेरे को नहीं मालूम क्या करेगा, तो that is a wrong thing to say. No, you have to have some backup कि ये fail हो गया तो ये करूंगा, point B से point C, point D, मेरे पास points है, but there are plans on in my life. If you just randomly say करने का, मम्मी पापा बोलेगा हाँ जा कर ले जो करना कर, ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Yeah, I wanna. Sorry, Kanish, please.
No,
please finish.
perfect.
Yeah, okay. I just want to say like a short story about a guy I met. Okay, this guy met me at an open mic very recently, and he was like, dude, I live in. I'm not gonna give any specifics because I don't want people to know anything about this story specifically. But he comes from like a small village place, and his father has a very like small paying job, and his father sent him to Bombay because he said he's going to study engineering. और फिर उसको वो चस्का लग गया कि TVF वाले सब engineering है तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. And he left his engineering, and he's not told his father yet. And he told me कि देखो मैंने ये सब गाने लिखे हैं, and I felt really scared for him because his songs were not funny. Okay. And I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean that in a way that right now your video or your content piece will not probably give you those million subscribers that TVF got. Don't just put all your eggs in a basket and such a high stakes thing. Just leave your education. Don't tell your father who's back in his village thinking that you're doing this engineering thing. Be very responsible about this because social media is a very unorganized, chaotic,
and fickle.
It's not impossible to continue studying while thinking of like 15 सेकंड का तो रील बनता है, तो एक 15 सेकंड का रील तो रोज बनाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो आएगा ना. You can make a 1-minute video, you can make a funny caption that people will follow you for, a funny tweet.
Totally. Like even while if you're working or studying, you can still make content. And you can get to a point. You can get to a point where you are like at like Viraj, where he had the confidence to leave his day job because he had worked while he had a day job. He was working and building his content. He got that follow, and then after a point, you're like, now it's safe for me to take that leap of faith because you do have some backing. I think you're right, Veronica. Like it is scary sometimes when
Yeah, please be sure because मैंने तो उसका गाना फेंक दिया. मैंने उसको बोल दिया तू वापस कॉलेज जा, तू पागल है क्या? And he was like नहीं. And here's the thing, one day his song will go viral, okay? Because one day he will write a great song. It's not that he's not capable of it. That song was fuck all. But फिर वो autobiography लिखेगा और उस पे लिखेगा कि रौनक ने मेरे को चूतिया बोला. So now I'm always going to be the bad guy.
Or maybe you pushed him to write that song because you said he was shit. He was like, I'll show you, Ronak. So you were actually the catalyst in a positive way. No, but like I think, you know, if you want to be a content creator, you can do it while you're also studying, while you're working, you can still make content. So don't think that you have to leave. It's one or the other. You can do both simultaneously.
And also they also have to understand that कि ये जो अभी हम लोग के लाइफ में चल रहा है अच्छा खासा जो भी चल रहा है, it's not overnight. It's उसके पीछे ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब because there are a lot of people who comes to filter copy as कि मुझे विराज बनने का है. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता है ना. It's not easy. Like I used to be a clap assistant first. I got to know what is video. I was acting like I played a lot of second double role. Crowd का acting किया मतलब खाली मैं खड़ा हूँ crowd में. All this act मैंने ये सब करते एक जगह पे then I became a face of filter copy. It's a long journey. It's a 4-year journey.
And also do your research. Like whereas like you're saying, like if your parents ask like what do you want to do, your research. Like get as much information. So even when you do present it to your parents, like you're not just being like, I want to be a comedian, content creator. It's like, well, this is what this like do your research. I think that's also important to like.
Yeah, research is also important. कौन क्या किधर से क्यों कर रहा है
who's doing what's working, what's not, what are the trends, like do all of that.
Can I just say one thing? Also, don't be afraid to post shit, okay? Because you have the benefit of a delete button, okay? If you realize the next day कि कोई ये tweet को retweet नहीं कर रहा, delete कर लो. It's fine, but just don't not post stuff because only then will you know what is to be posted and what is it that people are responding to.
That's
Because
what
there have been so many.
Anmol was saying. That's what Anmol was saying.
Yeah, because I've had so many experiences where I've created videos which I had so much hopes from, that will go viral and it really tanks. And there have been videos which have not been to that level and they've really gone viral.
Yeah.
So you really don't know what the audience
Just
never
post.
really-
You don't have to worry. Let people decide sometimes. You don't have to because sometimes you think यार खाली मेरे life में हो रहा है, but then it comes like fuck, ये तो सबके life में हो रहा है.
Right.
I'll tell you a very fuck all example. So you guys have seen Kanan's ka sushi, right? Arey sorry, Biswa ka sushi. Biswa ka sushi. Sorry, I'm going through a lot of Kanan and Biswa videos these days, so I'm like so confused हो गया. So उसमें ना उसका एक bit है जहाँ पे he says कि you call someone and that person calls you and then बीच में mix हो जाता है and then you wait for that person के call करेगा, then you also wait for the person के वो call करेगा, then फिर वापस 10 मिनट के बाद वापस call करता है, वापस busy हो जाता है. There's a bit in that stand up में, and I literally have that joke written 2017 में मेरे note में है कि इस पे एक video बनाऊंगा मैं, पर मैंने डाला, मुझे लगा खाली मेरे life में हो रहा है सब. And the day Biswa released that, I'm like, fuck, gaya. And now if I do that thing, people are like, hey, Biswa ka copy kiya tu ye.
Please always put just do it.
Put it out.
Otherwise someone else will do it.
Yeah.
So coming to the last question of the day. So I ask to everyone who comes into the panel, any advice to a 21-year-old guy who is watching this video?
Or girl, yeah.
Or 18-year-old girl,
Or
because that is marriageable age for both of them.
get married. No, I'm gonna say what we've all been saying. I think like I really like just put it out there. That's my advice. Whatever you just make that video or go to that open mic or write that bit, just put it out there. That's my advice. Don't think too
Yeah,
much.
I think that's the gist of everything we've spoken of. Like just
Yeah.
don't overthink and don't wait for the right moment. Do it now. Do it now. If you keep waiting, you will keep waiting. That's what even I would have to say. Definitely.
Totally.
Here's something I wish someone told me at 21, which is that obviously continue to post and do it right now, and also that you're still fucking young. Okay, it's very important that you open your mind and learn to learn as much as you can, because you have a certain amount of people who are telling you you're funny and you're great, but there is a lot yet to learn, because if you want to do more than this, you have to continue to learn. So be open to learning. That is very important, and be humble when you lose, because that's fine.
Because I think all of us are still learning and we keep learning till the last day. We can't stop
नहीं, मैं सीख
learning.
गया, मैं सब सीख गया हूँ, dude.
अच्छा मैं नहीं मैं सीख रहा हूँ, बहुत सीख रहा हूँ. But
Yeah, stay humble. Stay humble. Ronak said.
because there are some people, you know, जिनको they forget that, you know, there's a lot of fish in the sea and you can't stop evolving, can't stop learning. And I feel that's something people need to remember, that दो video भी चल गए आपके, but you have to keep evolving.
Keep evolving.
Keep evolving.
And
That's
here's the thing about comedy. Just look at the four of us, okay? All of our styles are absolutely different, okay? It doesn't mean you know, that what you think is not going to work or going to work. Just everybody can individually work, and also know that you can either be like a funny TikToker, you can be a funny stand-up comic, you can be a funny movie writer. Your comedy needs to find an outlet. So don't stop till you know what the correct outlet is, because you're capable of it. You just haven't found the right medium yet.
I think that's very well said. Yeah, that's very well said.
Yeah.
Wow. Viraj?
And just don't be afraid to learn new things is what I would say, and sometimes enjoy your boredom also, because I'll tell you what, sometimes when you're bored you get good ideas. When I'm bored, I'm doing random, I'm washing dishes, I like fuck इससे अच्छा तो वो कर लेता, मतलब I get good ideas when I'm bored, and whenever you can just chill, like this is what I feel. And when you say no, मतलब sometimes, you know, if I tell Ronak एक joke बोलना, Ronak के पास joke नहीं होगा, for example. मेरे को लगता है ऐसे कि ऐसा जोक नहीं होता है ना, because it's not funny people are always funny, they're ऐसा नहीं है.
Ronak never has any jokes, so yeah.
so just learn new things and enjoy your boredom, and because वहीं से तुमको content आएगा. So it's, I think, great advice.
Yeah. That's really good advice from me. Yeah.
Anyways, so we will call off this session. Thank you so much for being here. I think
Thank you.
people who were watching may get a ray of hope that they can get along. रात को अच्छे से सोए, वो ही चाहेंगे.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
थोड़ा एक दो महीना रात को अच्छे नहीं सोएंगे ना, तो फिर मस्त कुछ एक अच्छा वीडियो निकलेगा.
Thank you, Ronak.
Thank you so much for
Thank
having
you.
us.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kaniz,
Thank you,
Viraj,
guys.
Anmol.
Thank you all.
Thanks, Ronak.
It was a pleasure
Bye,
being on.
guys.
Yeah, it was really nice being in the panel with all of you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye. So we finally call off the Gift of Hope Summit. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for being there always. Whomsoever was watching this video and every one video, thank you so much for everything. And